Hello friends, how you doing? And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn on or turn off Wi-Fi hotspot in Vivo X70 Pro or X70 Pro Plus. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So to enable or disable portable hotspot or mobile hotspot to share your internet with another device in Vivo X70 Pro or X70 Pro Plus, simply first of all you just need to open settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.